selling. Open print. Yep, I'm hopping short. And my stop loss is going to be right here at 567.97. See if we can get a nice move down to 566.63. Q's has got really nice selling going on. Yeah, our stop's pretty much going to be, I don't want to see price break 568. And then the rest in the market's hands is what it is. Stop loss in. We identified weakness. Dude, Q's has got really nice selling going on. Really nice. Oh, wow, that was beautiful. Look at that sell-off. Getting a lot of volume that just came in. Let's see if sellers can hold this. That was a massive drop right there. Really nice drop. Yeah, let's get 566.63. And this is like this next couple candles are very important. I don't want to see buyers, like, more importantly, I just don't want us to, like, if we close above the 9 DEMA, if we close above open print, I'll get out of this trade. But if we hold that, then my bearish scenario is playing out exactly how I want it. Watching SPX, I'm in SPX puts, right? So I am targeting this 56.90 level. There we go. Very nice selling. Very nice selling. All right, we're up 18%, 20%. Very nice sell-off. Very nice. All right, but we're coming into a very important level here. So the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to whip out my 1 hour one more time. Okay, look at that. Let's whip out here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, and we just broke that 1 hour 50, guys. This could get really bloody. I want to see 566.63. Right? That's going to be my downside target. A little extended here on that 1 hour. Let me see. The pullback to that 1 hour is about 56 cents. Or about 36 cents. Yeah, I'm holding it. Oh, yeah. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Give me that. Give me that. 566.63, here we come. Very nice sell-off. About 28% over here on SPX puts. Very nice, coming into our level. Once SPX hits this, I'm probably just gonna book it. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice sell-off. How far away are we from the 9 DEMA? Not bad. This level is pretty important, guys. If we break this, all-time high is going to be a mega magnet. I don't expect us to break it immediately. For the team, if you're in this short and you're up around 25%, this is definitely a good spot to scale. Getting a little extended there from that 9D EMA. Coming right here into our level here on SPX. The 9D EMA at this point, I want to see her hold. I'm going to look at that daily time frame and try to gauge what's going on here. See, we're coming into this level right here. This 56.90, very, very important level. Price came up, tagged the 9. We got sellers coming in. Need sellers to push here. Need sellers to push. I'm moving my stop, guys, on SBX to pretty much right 19%. My stop will be at break even. I'm not going to lose money on this trade, but I'm going to let it play out. I'm going to let it. I want to see it come down to previous day high, and I want to see what happens. And this is, dude, this is the reality of trading. You're gonna you're gonna have to make those decisions, right? Like, you know, how much is it worth to see what happens at this level? You know, right now I'm up 20%. I could book it, like, oh, good, done, made a quick 20%. Or I could let this play out and let it do its thing. We got a GBI right here. My stop's going to be pretty much right there. Or my stop's going to be above that candle, our entry candle there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. I really don't want to see it get above 5, 6, 7, 5, 2. To be completely honest. But like, instead of going, okay, I'm gonna let market structure tell me. This is a really important level here. I don't necessarily. I wouldn't be surprised if buyers defend it, is what I'm trying to say. But let's see what happens. See what Q's is doing. Q's very nice. I'm kind of liking Q's right here. There's still a lot though. There's still a lot that needs to materialize. But Q's just closed below the 50 EMA over here. Got that selling there at open print. Q's gives me a GBI. I might enter short on Q's too. Even though I am not liking that 2 minute. That's it. And then we watch price react to the moving averages. Five-minute cloud looks really good. Look for sellers to hold this. Want that nice push into 56663. Starting to light. I want to see Q's get some nice bearish structure here off this pre-market level. That would be beauteous. Because Q's has a beautiful target down here at 4, 7, 8, 8, 9. Really liking that. Really liking that. Let's see. Let's see if we can get us a nice GBI and get us a nice entry. Let's check out my SPX chart. Yeah, SPX coming into that level, just like SPY. I mean, we want to see sellers hold here, but it is a very strong possibility buyers could muscle up here. Then, you know, I end up getting out of this trade probably, you know, if it goes against me around -10, -15, right? I have really good risk on this because I got in pretty much at 5, 6, 7, 8, right around open print. Once we've seen open print really get rejected. What's that 1 hour telling me? Yeah, see, I want to stay in this trade until buyers defile the 1 hour trend, and I'm using that 9 DEMA to do that. And that's what the 9 DEMA gives me confidence for, guys. Like, it helps me manage my trade so much, right? And it kind of helps me get like a good idea of what probably will happen, right? We're like, in reality, we're probably gonna come up and retest what is this, 5, 6, 7. I mean, we could come up, retest that 1 hour 50, right? It is what it is. I mean, we're extended. It's the highest probability scenario, right? And it is what it is, right? I'm not gonna refuse to see it. I mean, instead, I'm gonna be like, okay, am I willing to go and draw down to see if this still works? And yeah, it is what. Yeah, absolutely. I'll let it go. Maybe 16, 16 to 20% against me. That was a good. I'm willing to bet that to see if this trade still plays out. That's what goes through my mind, because a lot of traders ask me about holding. Like, what goes through my mind while holding a trade, right? Weigh both sides. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? What are my moving averages telling me? What's my market structure telling me? Right now, there's two things that can happen. Sellers can defend the cloud, defend open, defend their positions, and then we sell off into this level, or buyers show strength and we end up ripping in open print and then back above, right? So, like, that's the two scenarios. As of right now, the 1 hour 9 is holding, and we close below that and the 1 hour 50. So, I'm not going to put any really more thought, right? It's going to be like, okay, that was my entry criteria. I was willing to do it. And now I'm going to let the market play out. Oh, dude, let's look at Qs. I bet Qs here. Hold on. Shoot. I bet Qs just gave us a great entry. Let's see. Yeah, Qs is just giving me that nasty, nasty bearish vibe. Like, solid rejection there off end of day. 48295. Five-minute clouds holding very well. There we go. There she goes. Let's get that nice push into 56670. I want to see us break low of day. It was nice right there, guys. I like seeing sellers do that right there. Oh, yeah. There goes Qs. There we go. Very nice push. Up 32%. This is definitely a scale out area, guys, right here. Very nice. Looking at that 1 hour. What's that 1 hour telling me? Coming into that level. It's a very strong bullish break and retest coming up right here. So I am getting ready to scale depending on how price reacts here. Broke that 1 hour 50. There we go. Give me that nice push. Nice push. There we go. Very nice push. Very nice push. Yes. Yes. Very good trade. Very good trade. I'm gonna stay in it, and I'm gonna keep a pretty tight stop here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I'm looking for sellers to hold this. Looking for sellers to hold this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my stop real tight at like 5, 6, 6. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see here. 30, 42%. See, that level snaps, guys. This 5, 6, 5, 12 is definitely going to be a target. There we go. Really nice. Just playing bearish structure here. What's SPX look like? Definitely a scale. Definitely a take profit right there, guys.